Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you how to unlock your locked MacBook if you forgot your password or your Mac isn't letting you in. Don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, at the login screen, try entering your password as usual. If you remember it, your MacBook will unlock right away. I will simply use my password for now. As you can see, it is unlocked right away. If you have forgotten your password, simply click forgot password below the password box like this. Now forgot password will appear under your box. After several attempts of wrong password, you will need to enter your Apple ID that's linked to your Mac. This lets you reset your password safely. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password, and once done you can log in normally. If your Mac is encrypted with 5 Vault, you can also use the recovery key you set up during your setup initially. Enter it to regain access. For Macs with Touch ID, once your password is reset, you can add a fingerprint for quicker unlocking feature. As you can see, I can simply touch on my Touch ID right here and it will unlock right away. If you are still locked out, restart your Mac and hold Command plus R button to enter recovery mode. From there you can use Dix utility to reinstall macOS as a last resort. And that's it guys, now you know how to unlock a locked MacBook safely. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.